So my name is Danila and I am 37 years old and I am from Brazil, originally living in Addysg now, and I am a dental nurse working for the NHS for the past 5 years. So we're going to be doing dissection today, and we're going to be doing the liver and what the liver does, and we're going to be able to catch them and see everything inside. We have a mixture of ages in my group. I think I would say youngsters would be early 20s, and I have also students at my age, which is 37, 35. Which is a good mixture as well, which is nice. Well, the facilities in Coleg Gwent is great. I was really impressed when I came first time to visit to do my taster session. And they have everything that you need here as a student. There's a lot of support in here, all the rooms, all the facilities in regards to computers, the HE hub upstairs, it's basically everything that you need is here. So my main goal now is to start my degree in nursing, which I'm supposed to start the 2nd week of September. And then from that, I just wish I can qualify and be a qualified nurse in the future. If you have the wish to do this course and to expand your knowledge, and also if you have a plan to do a degree in the future, definitely come to the college. There is a lot of support in here. They are quite flexible as well.